Hey everyone, I'm Allison and you're watching Long Island Thrifter. Today I'm in Dallas, Texas, so let's go thrifting, y'all. Recently I was at a conference in Dallas, Texas, and when the conference was over, I had about an hour or so free where I could go do some thrifting at Goodwill. So let's check it out. This Goodwill is definitely much more neatly organized and cleaner than a lot of the shops I've been in recently, which are on the verge of being just junk shops. I made my way back to the Housewares area, but just to give you a little background, I only have a carry-on and a small bag that I can return on the plane with, so obviously these golf clubs are out of the question. I'm over in the Glassware area, and why am I even looking in here, especially since I have to get on a plane? This mercury glass bowl is pretty, but definitely not worth trying to fly back with something like that. I always end up in the mug section, and then I found this Starbucks mug, which was in very good condition. And for 99 cents, it is pretty sturdy. It's small, it'll fit in my bag. So I checked to see what they are selling for. And it's really varied, as you can see. These are the ones that are for sale currently. I check it over one more time on the shelf. That's just a little bit of dirt that comes off. And I decide to put it in my basket right next to the Starbucks I was drinking. I checked out the recent sales, and again, they're varied in pricing between the teens to the upper 20s. I saw this box of Swiss dish and appetizing plate assortment, I had to investigate. I mean, this looks like something from the 70s. I couldn't imagine a party right now where I whip out these Swiss cheese plates and say, yeah, you can put your wine glass right there and you can have your appetizers on it. It's just kind of funny. For $3, and it's a small box, I could obviously put this into my luggage, but I decide against it after checking out the ones for sale, which I can't believe someone's trying to sell that for almost $28. That's kind of crazy. And there were no sold comps. Another thing that stopped me in my tracks was this piggy bank, World Wrestling Federation, with The Rock and John Cena on it. It's all cracked up. I mean, this is garbage, really. It should have been thrown away. It shouldn't be for sale. But again, curious, I had to look it up. I had to check and see more about it. And when I looked to see how many were for sale, it was a couple pages of these are for sale, anywhere from $12.99 into the 30s. So it's just kind of funny, but then I looked up, well, if there's that many for sale, how many have sold? None. I head over to the men's section to look at some of the shirts, and I think they were about $8 or so. Then I saw these Hawaiian shirts, and this one in particular is a Roundtree and York 100% silk, size large. And it's got good colors. I think the blues and the beige are really pretty. But for some reason, I don't know, I kept going back and forth on it, and I decided against it. Leave a comment below and let me know if you think I should have picked this one up. I looked up some of the comps and it sells pretty well. But again, they're in the teens and then they're in the 30s. It really depends. And I'm really trying to get away from clothing. I wish I had more time to thrift in a few more stores, but unfortunately I had to head back to the airport. Thanks for watching, Long Island Thrifter. If you enjoyed this episode, please tap the like button, and if so inclined, please subscribe. Until next time, keep on thrifting.